name is Creenna Bocksnick. I'm the State 4-H Camping Coordinator in Arkansas. Today we're going to talk a little about outdoor cooking and how to get started. So the first thing you want to consider is, where are you going to put a campfire? You need to get permission, you need to make sure it's legal. You also need to check any burn bans that might be in effect at the time that you're going to build your campfire. A few things to consider: try to find a spot that doesn't have a lot of grass so that you're not damaging any natural environment. You also want some kind of material to go around your fire ring to help keep your fire in place. I've already gathered some rocks that we're going to use for this demonstration. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, don't dig out a fire pit any larger than what you're going to need to cook on. So we're going to start pretty small for like s'mores, that kind of thing. So what you want to do is you want to go around a space and kind of cut the grass like what you would be cutting, say, sod. I've already pre-cut this, and I'm going to take this chunk out. I'm going to try to lift it out all at one time, and I'm going to set it aside. That way, when I'm done, I can put everything back where it goes, and especially in the wilderness type environment, nobody will know you've been there. That way you can cover your tracks and have low impact camping. So I'm going to set my shovel aside. I'm going to grab my rock. I'm going to go around the perimeter of the hole that I dug to be able to build my fire in. Remember where you pick your rocks up from too, that way you can put them back once you're done. And if you're camping in an area that already has established fire rings, please use those. Don't create any new ones. And if you're setting up a fire ring in your backyard, make sure that you get permission from your parents, or make sure it is legal to do so wherever your yard happens to be. And you can create them any size that you think you're going to need later. So here's just a quick demonstration on creating a good campfire for your wilderness campfire cooking. Stay tuned for more information.